And action!
Hi there, I'm Yasmin Blair, and this is no newsflash. This is live.homog, and what that is, you're about to find out. Steffen, come on, let's go. Hurry! Come on, chop chop!
What the heck?
Live.homog is not just any old digital event. Live.homog is all about personal exchange and coming together, no matter when and no matter where. And honestly, for the love of wood, it doesn't get much easier than that, now does it?
And this is now the life of Homog?
Live.homog, you blockhead! You've always wanted to know what Homog Solutions can do for your company? Find out right here. Impressive, isn't it?
Yes.
And that is by far not all. Follow me. And the best part is there are webinars.
Really? Why?
Wait and find out.
Excuse me, we're here for training, not during working hours.
I told you webinars are the very best part. No long distance journeys, everyone can participate, and we have the perfect topic for each and every one of you. Would you like one?
Oh, sure. Thanks.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
And now, hold on tight.
Why?
This is why. And right here is where I get to exchange ideas with experts on hot new topics like timber construction, batch size 1, or digital assistance. And you get to join in with VIP front row seats. Looking forward. This right here is Peter.
How do you know my name?
Peter is currently participating in one of our live demonstrations with an expert, and at the end, he can even ask him all of his personal questions. Carry on.
Okay, so if the programming system has a 3D CAD module, can I add it in 3D? I mean, Woodwarp automatically makes a hole out of a hole. Yeah, and with the CAM module, you can even process 3D structures, but machining with a tilted axis, is that possible?
And as I was saying, live.homog works from anywhere. Workshop, office, or break room, you name it, really anywhere.
Hey, occupied. Let me finish watching this webinar.
Oh, as I said, from anywhere. Past events are even available on demand at any time. So basically, this is kind of like the Netflix of Homog. Live.homog is the meeting point, and since coming together has never been quite so easy, signing up is, of course, as well. All you need to do is go to live.homog.com, enter your email address, and you will be provided with all important information. Personal exchange made easy. That is live.homog from May 10th to June 10th. Definitely do not miss out, and we look forward to seeing you there. Steffen, webinar?